Now I know what you're thinking. It's red all over the screen. Bitcoin is less than $40,000. It's sitting there at $36,195. Ethereum is off 11.25%, and you're like, what is going on? It just seems like everything's down. And this is where we need to all have that dialogue keep happening between us. This is where people who invest in crypto and invest, period, need to communicate so that we understand that we're in this thing for the long haul. We're not trying to do some little short, stop and drop and hope it pops up. That's the mindset that causes people to lose money. And we have to get back to what blockchain technology represents. You've heard me say this time and again on this channel. What are you investing in? Why do you believe that this particular crypto, this particular project has promise? What are they doing with the blockchain that makes their project worth investing in? Look at Terra Luna. It took a 20% hit. Look at Solana, down 14%. There are people running for their lives. Even the mighty Avalanche, which just shot up, is down 13.35%. And it just seems like it's never going to end. Can Shiba Inu continue to take these kinds of beatings? Down 30% over the course of 7 days. So I got to ask the hard question. Do you believe? Do you believe? What am I talking about? Do you believe in the projects? Get in there and take a look. When was the last time you went to see what they're doing with Shiba Inu? When was the last time you clicked on Polkadot and drilled down to see what's going on with their timeline? What kind of partnerships that they are making? When was the last time that you looked at the Dogecoin and decided whether or not they're making any progress? These ongoing initiatives and events are what is going to ultimately drive blockchain technology to the forefront of the new future that awaits us. So when we see this red on the screen, we shouldn't see the house is burning. We should see that this is our opportunity to get more coins. It's not time to run. It's time to buy, folks. Do you believe? So I hope that this video has given you some encouragement. Don't look at the red as your time to run. That's how you get burned. Go in, research these projects, see if there's a failure in the leadership, a failure of the dev team. If you don't see any kind of evidence that those things are happening, press forward. And this is not investment advice, but buy more. Why is it that people tend to want to buy more when it's going up? That's backwards. You should be buying more when it's going down. It's just a matter of time, folks. If you've been in the crypto game as long as I have, you know it's going to go up, you know it's going to go down. So I hope you found these words encouraging. Please like, subscribe, and share Crypto Big Boss, and I'll catch you on the next one.